Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to be making a beautiful and really easy ground beef or minced beef, whatever you call that, and potatoes, Indian style. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here today then. So onion, I've got one decent sized onion there, and here 2 regular sized tomatoes. You can see they're about equal parts. 500 grams of ground beef or minced beef, whatever you call that. Potatoes cut about the same, you know, just slightly more potatoes, but roughly the same there. And then 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, some fresh chilies. In here, what I always call the big 4. If you're regular to the show, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is 1 teaspoon, equal parts of turmeric, chilli, cumin, and coriander powders. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then half a teaspoon there of garam masala powder. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, use some salt, and some fresh cilantro at the end. Super easy and delicious, this one. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you wanted. And in goes those cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing for a few seconds into the hot oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a fantastic flavour. There you go. Next up, we're going to drop in our potatoes. So I've peeled these potatoes, cut them up into nice little cubes. And we're going to fry these around on a fairly lively heat, as you can hear, for about 4 minutes. Okay, so still very hard, but just on their way. We're now going to drop in that onion. And continue for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Fantastic. Next up, we're going to add in our ground beef or minced beef, whatever you call that. And we're going to go now for about 4 minutes, I suppose. Keep it moving now. Simply, we're now going to add in that 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some salt, and our fresh chili. Again, let's go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add in our powders. Let's just take one more look. So, equal parts, teaspoon each, cumin, turmeric, chili, coriander. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder that you already have. Okay, now for those tomatoes, couple of regular sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice, ripe, juicy tomato. A little touch of water, cold water. Staying on this heat and giving it a stir every now and then. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. What we want is those tomatoes to break down and give off some more moisture to make a bit more of the gravy. See you then. Okay, and that's come together really beautifully. The tomatoes have broken down really nicely. Now, if you didn't get this amount of moisture, you can just add a little bit of water. What we're going to do now is turn this down to a simmer and let it go until your potatoes are nice and tender. For me, it's going to be about another sort of 4 to 5 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm going to put that little bit of garam masala powder in there, which is a beautiful finishing powder. Some fresh cilantro. Give it a mix. And that's done. Now, I love to eat this with roti or paratha, some sort of bread, but you can have this, of course, with rice if you wanted. Yeah, but I love to get the bread, scoop it up and eat away. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.